Alright, so to unhide posts on your Facebook timeline and get them back to your profile once again, you're gonna just launch the app and then go straight to your profile, tap on these three dots, and then hit the activity log option, and then tap on your Facebook activity. Now, under that, in posts, hit manage posts, and then first tap on filters, from there to categories, and then navigate yourself to posts hidden from profile option. Whatever posts, photos, videos, anything, those are hidden on your profile will show up in here. Now, what you're going to do is just separately tap over these three dots on all the posts that you want to unhide, and then individually select add to profile for all of them. And once you're done, you're going to just swipe this screen like this to refresh it. And as you can see, that hidden content will disappear from this list and will show up on your profile. That's it. Thanks for watching.